Uh, Hello everyone, Jai Hind. So today was the day 2 of SSB guidance program, and today we discussed in detail about the screening test. So I'm making this video for other students who could not join this SGP-4. This video might help you all while preparing for your screening test. So when it comes to the screening test, basically in screening test they conduct two tests. One is OIR, which is called as Officers Intelligence Rating Test, and the another is Picture Perception and Description Test, and we call it as PPDT. In OIR test, there are basically, it's a basic reasoning test, or we call it as an IQ test also, or there are two tests being conducted at OIR. दो booklets होती हैं आपकी. One is verbal reasoning and another is non-verbal reasoning. And you all should practice this, because I think to appear for your OIR, the only key is the practice, because all the questions are very simple. They use your basic logic. You only need your basic logic to solve those questions. There is no rocket science in any of the questions, so you all must practice it before going for your SSB. You all can practice it from any book. आप अग्रवाल की किताब ले सकते हैं, आप अरिहंत की किताब ले सकते हैं, और जिनका immediate अभी SSB आने वाला है after 1 month or after 2 months, please try to practice daily one set for verbal and one set for non-verbal. और जिनका अभी नहीं recently है plan है 6 months या साल के बाद है, you will be appearing for your CBS exams. So make sure that at least on the weekends you are practicing this reasoning test. Yeah, I also want to say one more thing about OIR test. Most of the students think that this is not that important test, but let me tell you, जो भी test SSB center पे लिया जा रहा है, they hold their own importance. So OIR is very very important for your screening, and it is also very important for your final merit list. So please don't take it casually. खूब प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और प्रैक्टिस करके ही जाइएगा आप अपने OIR की. Now coming to the second, which is very 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 important, PPDT. Now when it comes to the second is your PPDT, Picture Perception and Description Test. इसके दो पार्ट होते हैं. One is the story writing and the second part is the story narration and discussion. Now coming to the first part, story writing, which is very very important. Story writing में they will show you a hazy picture for 30 seconds. Then they will give you 1 minute. 1 minute. In that 1 minute, you are supposed to write the gender of the character seen in the picture, age of the character. Then you also will be writing the mood of the character, and at the end you will be writing the action taken in the story. After that, 4 minutes will be given to you to write the story based upon your perception, which is very very important. How you write the story, you need to logically put your thoughts on the paper. You all need to practice that. How you can practice? So for me, I can don't just practice story. Main is start writing, practice writing casually also. I keep telling to all my students, so whatsoever is coming to your mind, you should be able to put your thoughts on the paper. That is the skill you need to learn. So start practicing that. And the second is narration part. After the story writing, they divide the students into different groups. A group from 10 to 15 students might be in one group, and there one by one each student need to narrate their story. You will be given approximately 1 minute of time to narrate your story, and after that the complete group needs to discuss the story in the group, and you all need to come to one common story. And after that you will be narrating, one person from your group who will be narrating the story. Now in this, what happens during the discussion, most of the time fish market ban jata hai. Everybody wants to stand up. At that time I really want to tell you, please stay cool, stay calm, and try to be a part of the group. Now in this, the most important part is the story narration, because ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर शायद से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मौका ना मिले, बट दैट 1 minute इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई ऑलवेज टेल टू ऑल माई स्टूडेंट, वो 1 मिनट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप कितने अच्छे से अपनी स्टोरी को दूसरों को समझा पाते हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इन दैट यू नीड गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. इट इज़ जस्ट नॉट your English. More important than English is your confidence, the way you speak, your body gesture, your voice modulation, your expression. Everything counts over there. If you have narrated your story well, half of the better you have already won. So ये बहुत important है. Story narration is the most important part. So after writing the story, make sure that you practice story narration also daily. I think I was able to help you all with this video. Thank you so much.